CollectCallFrom, and tonight is gonna be our stream of Arizona, Pima County to be exact. Man, what's going on with my light over here? It looks like I have a. It's not my lights. What's going on over here? I don't know. All right, so they should be starting up any moment now. Once they start it up, then we'll be able to see the the courtroom here, as you guys can see right there. Wendy is Wendy. What's up, Junior? How's it going? Hey, thank you for that glitter badge right there. Let's see. What's up, Dalton? How's it going? Giggle619. Appreciate the like. Let me see who else is tapping in. Anderson, gracias for the like. Dalton, thank you for sharing that. So funny enough, look, so on the last stream, before we cut off the Kentucky Board of Paroles hearings, they ended up banning my account for 7 days, but I appealed it and they ended up reinstating it. Hey, what's up, Lyric? How's it going? And welcome. So right now, I'm not sure what's going on with my with this thing over here. It looks like my lights are turning on and off, but they're not. I'm not sure what's going on. Hey, what's up, Megan H? How's it going? Who else do we got? Hey, what's up, Dabs? How's it going? Welcome. All right. So, for some odd reason, they're always in the late train in Arizona court. Lovely, hey, how's it going? Lovely 0990. Welcome to You Have a Collect Call From. Today, right now, we're gonna be I gotta fix this whole light situation thing. This thing's tripping. There, is that better? Okay, we'll go ahead and go with that. Hey,
I'm D'Angelo.
Oh, we're live. We are live. Oh, okay. See, let me just adjust it right here so we could get a better angle.
It's D'Angelo. You have a bunch of cases in Tucson City Court, some of them under the name of Sarah Rodriguez. And let's see,
this is a different judge.
3,
he's hiding behind the computer.
6,
you could barely
7,
see his head.
8, 9 different files with various charges, shoplifting, drug paraphernalia, etc. And your last failure to appear in warrant was from March of 2023. I'm going to reappoint the public defender. The city public defender holds you on a $500 bond. Any previous conditions of release still remain in effect?
I have a question. I'm supposed to be out on probation, and I have Invest and a whole team of people that are helping me. Is there any way we can do no bond and release to Invest like my probation, or if I could maybe get time served? I've been incarcerated for 7 months.
Just a moment. And Your Honor, she was sentenced on a felony recently. Records confirm that she will be released tomorrow to probation if she doesn't get a bond this evening. Given that she'll only be released if and when picked up by her probation officer, who I assume is going to transport her to Invest into inpatient treatment. Would I say release her?
What is Invest?
Invest is a program at the jail that works with CBI. I think they primarily work with the inpatient, it may not be CBI, but it's an inpatient drug treatment program. I think they primarily reserve bed space in Bisbee. Is that where you're going to go?
No, I'm going to go to Amity here in Tucson.
Okay, she's going to go to Amity Ranch, which is a inpatient drug treatment facility on the east side. Invest, I think specifically is working to help get people out of the jail. So they have a number of people that work inside the jail full time to help people transition to
normal life.
To normal life, also to inpatient drug treatment from the jail. So if she's set to be released to probation, in my experience, she has bed space available and waiting for her tomorrow.
All right, thank you.
All right. She's locked up. They won't let her out. All right. So, hey, you know what? I just saw somebody make a little while ago made a comment about the screen being too light. My apologies on that. It's just if I make it any darker in here, I'm probably gonna end up getting kicked off, so I'm not trying to do that. But if you jump over to @CollectCallFrom on one of the one on another stream or another platform that I'm streaming on, you can see it nice and perfectly. It's been
That invest, is that spelled INVEST?
Yes, Your Honor, it's an acronym. It's all caps. I'm not sure what it stands for, but that's how you spell it.
Thank you.
How's everybody doing tonight? Where you guys tuning in from? You guys don't mind sharing? Highly
I'm
appreciated.
still going to appoint the city public defender. I will release you on your own recognizance and promise to appear in court.
Man, yeah.
Yes, yes, sir.
Your out of custody date then will be February 12th at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
All right? Tucson
Yes,
City
sir.
Court.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This judge is talking super low, super low. He needs to pick up the pace. I like the other judge, the judge that's normally on. She's she speaks a lot more like she wants to be there. And,
Is that all?
Yep, Your Honor.
she says it with her chest. Hey, what's up, Lyric? Okay, thank you. Hey, it's better over here. Good evening, Leslie. How's it going? Leslie _2018. Everybody, welcome. Welcome to You Have a Collect Call From. And for anybody that's wondering, this is a live hearing in Tucson City, Tucson, Arizona. Ever hear from Yanis? Yeah, he called me today, but I missed the call.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Ryan Dawson.
Mr.
And Your
Dawson?
Honor,
Yes.
I apologize. Never mind.
They're
You
shot
have
out.
a fugitive warrant out of Los Angeles, California
Oh,
on a, what is the charge here?
this is live. Yes, it is. Fishing for
I think
slabs.
it's a domestic violence
Oh no,
case.
no bueno.
Listing a $150,000 bond.
150? Shit. She.
County attorney's recommending that I hold you on that bond.
Hold them.
I am going to order no contact with the alleged victims, no alcohol or illegal drugs, stay away from the victim's home and workplace, no firearms or other weapons. Okay, we'll hear from defense counsel.
What up,
Your Honor,
Tabby?
what is the release Mr. Dawson to pretrial services supervision? It does appear the offense date in this case was September of 2020 and the warrant issued in December of 2020. So he's not had contact with law enforcement now for over 4 years. It also appears that his last felony arrest was in 2014. Given that, we would ask that you give him an opportunity to self-report to California.
Hell no. What do you guys think? Should he let him go? I don't think so. I don't think he's gonna make it.
We'll hear from the state.
Good evening, Judge. I don't have anything to add to my written recommendation on this one. Thank you.
What up, Nunya? Felicia says no. Lovely says nope. Hell yeah. Tabby says nope. I don't think he can even afford a bus ticket to get to LA. Never mind. You? What up, Rosie? How's it going? Love me says nope. Leslie says nope. And I say Charles. Can you find a CT one? His name is Dylan. I can't find it. What are his charges? Domestic violence. The ones in Connecticut, I'll check what I could find, but I'm not guaranteeing anything.
And Your Honor, Mr. Dawson also let me know that both of his prior California arrests have been reduced to misdemeanors. Again, we would just ask that you release him, given his compliance over the and lack of
Right. Nope.
contact with law enforcement over the past couple of years.
Yeah, but he also had lack of contact with the court there.
Yes, Your Honor.
Why was that?
If I can have just a moment, Your Honor.
My mom's 76 years old.
Your Honor, Mr. Dawson moved to Tucson, I think in the midst of COVID. I think at the end of 2020, he moved here. His mom, I think, is now 76. She lived here previously.
She's 80 now.
Oh, she's 80 now.
Yeah.
I apologize. I'm not
Damn.
good at math. He moved here to help take care of her during COVID. He would be able to self-report to California, given that we would ask that he be given that opportunity.
What do you do for a living?
I have a landscaping company with a friend of mine called P&D Landscapes, and we cut trees and we do landscapings and we do livescapes for people's backyards.
Okay.
So fairly new business, but you know it's been you know something, you know.
So you'd be able to post some sort of bond, if not 150,000.
I don't think I'd be able to post $150,000 bond, but I definitely.
You'd be able to post something more reasonable than that.
Oh, in California, you mean?
No, here.
Yeah, I mean, I could post something. I mean, if my bond was lowered, or even if you would just release me on you know, I can give you my word that, you know, my main concern is to take care of my mother, and I haven't been in touch with her in 10 days. And she's 80 years old, and I'm worried about her. And I've been trying really hard to keep on a straight and narrow path and do right. And, you know, God is my witness. I want to do better, and I made a mistake, and
Okay. You must have bond in the amount of $1,000. Can you post that?
that would be $100.
You have the bond company to do that.
Yeah, I could probably do that. I could probably do that, Your Honor.
All right. 1,000, January 21st, 2:30, legal defender appointed. You're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the hearing you're looking for, right? I found it. All you gotta do is all I did was on Google I typed in Dylan parole board in his name, Connecticut, and then it'll come up. Oh, you want me to play it? Normally, whenever I do them, I run them. I run these live. I normally don't do like pre-recorded content. What do you guys think this guy's here for?
Hello. What's your name?
Buddy Otero?
Otero, you're charged with burglary in the 3rd degree and with criminal trespass. No order that you not possess any alcohol or illegal drugs, no firearms or other weapons. Stay away from the alleged victims. Do not go to the Chopsticks restaurant.
Chopsticks.
And I will note the state is requesting I hold you on 5,000 pounds. We'll hear from the defense.
Pretrial services supervision. They did score him as a 2. The pretrial services was able to speak with his wife, who did confirm housing for him and that he is employed full time. Given the nature of the offenses, and given the fact that he does have confirmed housing and employment, we would ask you give him an opportunity on pretrial services release.
Did they say what he did? I missed it if they did. The audio is kind of crappy right now tonight. I don't know what's going on. And let me see. We have a comment. He's from Muttman. He writes, interesting how they show this online in the U.S. and Canada. You can't. Yep.
So I'm looking at a long line of similar offenses with this gentleman, including one from, was he seen this morning?
Yeah.
Yes, Your Honor. And I think he was held on a $10,000 bond. And if I could have just a moment, Your Honor, I think I misunderstood. Your Honor, given that he's already being held on a $10,000 bond, we would ask that the court impose a nominal $1,000 bond.
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Man, I can't hear.
2,500. January 24th, 1:30, legal defender appointed. Your excuse, sir.
So your bond now is 12.5.
So if I can you contact my wife?
I don't like this I don't like this judge. He's messing up my mojo. I lost my mojo. He's dead. Oh, what is she here for? Let's see. Domestic violence. It has to be domestic violence. DV.
Hello, what's your name?
Crystal Janelle Franco.
Let's see what Janelle Franco is in
You
Pima
have an
County
arrest
Jail.
warrant out of Pima County Justice Court on a shoplifting charge from 2023, and you have a felony hold. So I'm going to release you on the misdemeanor with a court date of February 20th, 10 o'clock, Pima County Justice Court. You're excused.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Shoplifting. Hey, you guys are some maniacos. Straight maniacs. What? What? Let me see the judges. Yeah, this judge is, I'm telling you, this judge is definitely messing up my mojo. I'm like normally up here, but he's bringing me down here. I'm giving a little message or letter to Javi. That's that I want you to see next week or so. Okay, sounds good. This judge is asleep. Yo, what up, man? Hey, what's up, T-Bone? Hey, welcome back. I don't know what that means. Maniaco or mojo? What do you guys think this upstanding citizen is here for? Is this the new account?
Chelsea Ann Garrison.
Hey, 1 moment, please.
Deft. E, thank you for the follow. DV or Rugs, says Tabby. All right. Wake up, Judge. Snap out of it. All right, and the final answer
Charged with
is
domestic violence assault.
domestic violence.
Domestic violence disorderly conduct. I'm going to order that you not commit any acts of domestic violence, no alcohol or illegal drugs, no firearms or other weapons. Do not have contact of any kind with Christine. Stay away from her home and workplace. And contact the assigned probation officer the first working day following your release. No contact means no face-to-face contact, no calling, texting, emailing, using third parties, letters or notes or social media.
Well, I live there, so
back one time with a police escort to get your belongings. I am going to release you with those conditions, and the court date is February 13th at 10:30.
okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Hey, David on YouTube, he writes, she looks like Eileen Wernos. Is that one woman that took out all those truck drivers or all those Johns? Am I mistaken for somebody else? Let me see. Eleanor McMahon wrote, I was just thinking that, David. And David wrote, she's a beater. Laughing out loud. Really, Eleanor? Not anymore. You don't live there. Let me see. Is this a public lawyer? Yeah, this is a public pretender. Yes, it is. That's her. Let me see. Not anymore. My daughter snuck up on me right now. Okay, yeah, I know exactly who you're talking about. Yup, that's her. All right. So let's see. Man, hopefully this judge is not on tomorrow. Big smile. This judge is asleep, I swear. Yup. Somebody snapped their fingers so he could snap out of it. Almost got jumped, fool. What the what? Oh yeah, my daughter, she crept up on me. Let me see, and he's releasing everybody. Yup. Let me see, Eleanor McMahon. Haha, I just said that out loud, laughing out loud. Is this night court? Yes, it is. This is night court in Arizona, Pima County, Tucson, Arizona. These take place every day, 7 a.m. and 6. I think no 8. It was at 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. I think, or something like that. I might be mixing up the numbers, but it happens twice a day. All right, let's see who's up next. Oh, it looks like he's a bit cold there. AZ. Oh, what do you guys think this guy's here? I'm in Arizona.
Hello,
I never knew
what's your
Tucson
name?
did this.
Jason R. Dunham.
One moment.
The judge necesita que le saquen la bolsita. He might need some Red Bulls to get some wings. Let me see. Eleanor Ramirez wrote rugs, T-Bone rugs. Marissa, domestic violence. Tabby, rugs. Public intoxication from Nicole. All right, keep them coming. That's a new one. That's the first time anybody's ever put that one. Good. I like that, Nicole. Public intoxication. Death from Megan. Anna writes rugs. And passing a Red Bull.
All right, you're charged with possession of drug paraphernalia, trespassing.
All right, so he got some rugs on him and a trespass charge. He might have a third one coming his way.
I'll omit the reading of the not possess any or consume any alcohol or illegal drugs. Stay away from the incident location. No contact with the alleged victim. You have a probation hold, so you will remain in custody on that anyway. I am going to hold you on this misdemeanor case on $1,000 bond, and you're going to be seen on this tomorrow at 1 p.m. at on video. Mr. Douglas Taylor is appointed to represent you tomorrow, January 15th, 1 o'clock. You're excused.
Thank you.
T-Bone wrote, you can tell he's withdrawing.
Can I go back straight back or?
No, you're gonna go down to the pit.
Yeah, because I'm choosing.
He does look like he was on a sick one. Let me see. Megan H writes, I'm getting them all wrong tonight. I was on a roll earlier. Yep, you were. A10, how's it going? Good evening, bro. Hey, Drea, gracias. Really appreciate the liking. Let me see. Tabby writes, I usually get a good look and can tell somewhat. Tabby, domestic violence. She's back again? What the hell? She snuck up. I didn't even see her come in. Hello. Hey, Thomas L. Hello from Pennsylvania. That's right. Rep your city. Let me see. David wrote, no consume alcohol. His middle name is Modelo. Modelo. Cheen Gators. Is it frozen? What's going on over here? What the what? Let's see. Stream is offline. What the what? What happened? There's no bueno. I don't know what happened. It's frozen. It glitched. It looked like a glitch. Yeah. Let me. I'm gonna try to refresh it right now and see if that fixes it up for us over here. Let's see. Are they having some major issues over there on? Hey. Yeah, it looks like it's frozen. It says stream is offline. I don't know what the hell's going on. The judge is in deep thought. Yeah, it's not looking good. Let me try to refresh it again and see what it is. Nope, still frozen. Anyhow, so it looks like they might be frozen here for a moment or two. If you guys, where you guys coming in from? What part of the country are you guys coming in from? They probably saw my comments. She wants to join the live. Eleanor Ramirez. Yeah, it glitched out. Yes, it's frozen. Lag. Yeah, no, it's not lagged. It's going back to where it was with that other one. And let me see. Nicole's coming up from North Carolina. Lyric York is coming in from Kansas City or Kansas. Megan H is coming in from California. Jordan's coming in from Washington. Tita's coming in from Connecticut. We got Debbie coming in representing that San Diego. We got Jess coming in from El Paso, Texas. Do you know Dyer Street out in El Paso? Let me see. Leslie coming in from Oregon. Dabs is coming in from Salem, Oregon. Lyric York writes, my boyfriend in county is in jail currently. What the wood? All right. Let me double check. Pima County. I think their thing might have gone offline. I think that's it. They pulled the plug. They're like, man, this judge is messing everything up. Yeah, it looks like that's all they wrote for today. Well, I tried. We got Ontario. We got Eleanor coming in from Ontario, California. We got Maria Rodriguez, 85, coming in from Nevada. That's right. Mutt Man is coming in from, I'm assuming that's, let me see, that's minute. I can't even pronounce that. Canada. We'll just keep it easy for me. Canada. Anyhow, hey, you know what? I just jumped on tonight. Yeah, it looks like it's over. They I guess somebody might have disconnected the server or something. And that's all she wrote. Hey, thank you. If you guys haven't done so, please do so. Hit that subscribe button. Any new subscribers will definitely help us, get into the algorithm and help this channel grow. Remember, hey, by subscribing, it's free. It's free 99. Doesn't cost you anything. I'm not asking you for any money. I'm not asking for any donations. Nothing like that. Just come on over and we'll hang out for a bit. And whenever we do these lives, just share. Sharing is caring. Send it to your loved ones. Send it on over to the people you don't love. Anybody and everybody. Anyhow, I am Collect Call James. You are watching. You have a Collect Call From. And like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it's lights out. And with that, we are out. You guys have a good night. Thank you.